There is no right or wrong way to use our kits. We felt that this was so important that we decided to start our own company so that all boys and girls could enjoy activities that encourage creativity instead of inhibiting it.
When we told people we were going to develop a product line around creativity, people almost didn't know what it was. Creativity was not the buzzword that it is today. People didn't think that creativity mattered in education, in a child's development, or for self-expression, or in the business world. So we had to really explain why creativity mattered. We believed and believe so strongly in the importance of imagination. The fact that a child can imagine something and then make it happen is thrilling to them and tremendously important for their emotional, social development. We co-founded Creativity for Kids because we wanted to take the experiences that we'd had as mothers with our children and in workshops that we had led and the insights that we had from doing our own art. We wanted to take it as far as we could. And I must say that it's gone further than we could have ever imagined.
The Creativity for Kids brand is so important because it's nurturing the child's sense of wonder and imagination, and we need that in every generation to really fuel innovation.
Imagination, self-expression, creativity has an everyday impact on the world. Everything we do starts with creativity, and it just doesn't stop with just Creativity for Kids. It's everything we do in life.
You look at a brand like a Crayola, you look at a brand like a Lego, a brand like Creativity for Kids. Those are so important now. Play has become maybe more closed-ended and maybe more technical and prescribed and license-driven. All of those things kind of sit in a place that's a bit different than where Creativity for Kids sits.
It really is a hands-on experience. So you're given a kit, and now it's up to you what you'd like to do with it.
I remember when my boys were little and I first started with the company and I'd bring something home for them to try. They never even bothered to look at the instructions. They wanted to use what they had in their mind to create something that they could be proud of later. It's just amazing to see their faces light up when they've done something and seen the finished results, and it's something they can share with others.
The world is dependent upon thinkers. Kids are going to grow up and they need to have creative confidence so that they can push the world forward.
Really, if you look at all of the research, all of the top companies are looking for people who have what we call a creative mindset. It's not something that a curriculum at school is necessarily teaching, and that's why it is so important. In our digital world, with kids so connected with devices, that's one area, creativity, where they can do their own problem solving. They can make their own decisions.
I think it's going to be around for a very long time to help children and their parents to be creative and express themselves.
In many ways, Phyllis is Creativity for Kids. You know, Phyllis didn't only start it, but I think she's also sustained it and inspired it after all these years. It will always have the thrust and the push and the foundation and the stability that she has brought to it. That will always be there, even as we move ahead and we expand and we grow.
I hope and I know that this team will continue the mission of Creativity for Kids, that imagination, joyful playing will continue to be part of this brand. And I know that that will happen because I know the people who are working on the products truly believe in the importance of creativity and imagination in children's lives.